The Kenmore pet-friendly CrossOver Max is one of the most highly rated vacuums in its class. It's the perfect choice for those who want the ease of an upright and the versatility of a canister. With a push of a button, you can seamlessly transition from carpet to hardwood in seconds without bending down. And a handy floor brush makes cleaning in tighter spaces a breeze. The lift-away canister helps you tackle those hard-to-reach areas around your home. A telescoping wand and variety of tools make light work of cleaning molding and drapery. Beyond the versatility, it's the power that makes the CrossOver Max stand out from the rest. A dual motor and cyclonic action system with dirt compression technology create a strong suction that separates and traps dirt, hair, and debris. Stubborn pet hair is no match for the Pet Handi-Mate's turbine power, which easily lifts pet hair from furniture. Plus, the convenience of a dustbin makes cleanup quick and easy. HEPA media exhaust filter and a washable pre-filter capture 99.97% of dust particles, including pollen, pet dander, mold, and bacteria, down to 0.3 micron. Amazing power, versatility, and convenience. The Kenmore pet-friendly CrossOver Max. Kenmore, be amazing.